On the last day of the Mesozoic era, 66 million years ago, a 15-kilometer wide asteroid in the size of a mountain hurtled toward Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. Before you continue watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to Inspired by Science channel and click on the bell icon. At about 40,000 miles per hour, like a fireball, it appeared in the sky and slammed into Earth with an explosive power of a billion times the power of the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. What happened next was a chain of catastrophes that wiped out 80% of life on Earth, including the dinosaurs. What is an asteroid? Why do they ever collide with Earth? Know it now. Asteroids, also known as minor planets, are rocky worlds. They are leftovers from the formation of the solar system about 4.6 billion years ago, and may size as large as Ceres, which is 940 kilometers across, or as small as a 6-foot wide space rock. Most asteroids are located in the asteroid belt that stay between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, far away from us. So how do they hit the Earth from afar? They revolve around the Sun in elliptical orbits, rotating and at times tumbling erratically. 10,000 near-Earth asteroids are in orbits passing close by, which are potentially hazardous and threat to Earth. They cross Earth's orbital path. This increases the chances of being pulled in by the planet's gravity. Such pulled-in asteroids burn out usually on their way through the Earth's atmosphere before reaching the ground. But if the compositions are too heavy, they hit Earth. Hope you liked this video, share it and post your comments. For more science videos, subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook. See you soon with another interesting concept. Goodbye.